y'all, I know y'all miss me. Today we have the install, and this hair is provided by Dola Hair Mall. Now y'all know I've never done a 360 wig install, so y'all had to record it because this is my first time. Y'all gotta be here with me. Anyway, I basically did everything the same as my usual installs. Went on ahead, I braided her the same, but I kind of made the braid finish up a little bit higher, if you get what I'm saying. And I'm just doing the same thing I did to the front to the back. So I'm pushing everything up and out the way. And because I feel like the wig wouldn't go fit if I did it the whole way, I pulled a lot of that out. And inside the wig were a lot of clips and bands, and I cut all of that out because I need you to be able to see through this lace. I don't need you to have to sit there and look at clips or dark bands going across it and all that. If y'all need a video on that, let me know because I do have that also. Now, for this, I figured once she moved her head that the cap was going to lift up or something. So that's why I put the glue back there first and then sprayed it later. Y'all see what I'm doing. I'm trying to explain it the best way I can, but y'all know it's kind of hard. But I didn't want it rolling up while I was working on the front part. After I got done with the back and it started getting dry, I went and did the same thing to the front. And I should have did the front first. I don't know why I did the back first, but y'all, this is a work in progress. I'm trying. So after that, I usually sew it down. I didn't sew it down this time. I just cut it going all the way around her head. And I put makeup on the front and in the back. The middle part of the wig has tracks in it, so you know you're not gonna be able to see through that part anyway.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love. Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. You can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's true, indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is one in a million. You give me a really good feeling.
So when it was time to glue down the wig, I did go through and I glued down the front first because, to be honest, I would rather the front look good than the back look good. So I made sure the wig fit. I cut around her ear tabs because on the 360 lace, all of that has lace on it. After I glued down the front is when I started working on the back.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
So y'all already know I use my lace tape. Get that from the house though. And I use Bold Hold Active for this install. I use lace tape on the front and back. And right here, you guys, make sure your glue dries clear. I'm used to it. Like it doesn't do anything to my installs when it don't. But for beginners, I recommend y'all just waiting on it to turn clear before y'all do anything. So while I was working on the back, I had her holding on to the front while I went back and glued it. And I literally did the same process. And y'all can see it's a little bit bigger than her head. So I had to go through and pluck it a little bit more and cut it a certain way. But I put the lace tape like that and I still put the Bold Hold Active. And after that, I just laid it down as normal.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love. everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, oh, baby, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
So I would prefer doing these with a full lace wig, but it actually still came out bomb. Like you see, it's a little bit of part space in the back, as y'all can see. I'm kind of showing y'all, and it looks very natural because look who did it, y'all. Your girl been getting good at these installs now. Y'all better book while y'all here. But I just ended up doing a simple little bun on her head with the two little main pieces hanging out because I wanted to keep it simple. Honestly, this was my first time. I didn't want to overdo it. And of course, she wanted baby hair. You cannot let her leave out with baby hair. Like, girl. Mm-mm. So anyway, it was fairly easy. I could say it was easier than I expected. Is what I can say. Can I do this on myself? Probably not. But I'm gonna try one of these days. But I feel like it was cute. It worked out, and it actually looked really fun for it to be my first time ever putting on a 360 wig.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny.
So I really hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Comment down below what you guys want to see. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Hair by Tootie and call me Tootie.